Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and cleanliness so the device delivers consistent light. Plug in or charge fully and test cable connections. Loose contacts change intensity. Once done, wipe your skin and the LED surface with an alcohol pad and wait half a minute for evaporation so light isn't diffused. Next, mount the mask or hold the device steady, then set the intensity low, around 1 out of 5, so you can feel the first exposure and avoid overstimulation. You now focus on treatment parameters because correct wavelength and duration determine results. Choose red LEDs for surface benefits and near-infrared for deeper penetration. The manual lists exact NM values. Once chosen, raise intensity in small steps. Test 2 to 3 minutes at each level, so your skin adapts without irritation. Make sure to use the unit's timer or a phone timer and keep the advised distance, usually 6 to 12 inches for handheld units, to preserve uniform coverage and avoid hotspots. You wrap up by powering down and following aftercare to lock in benefits. Remove the mask, gently cleanse if you used a conductive gel or topical, then apply a moisturizer or serum. This aids recovery and comfort. Once finished, note duration and intensity in a simple log so you can progress safely over sessions. If you see persistent redness, burning, or device flicker, stop immediately. Check cables and settings, switch to a lower intensity, and consult the manual or support if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.